Hello, Victor here, restoringmercedes.com. I'm going to be finishing this throttle body here, and I just want to make a quick video about it. Came from Michigan actually, and it's 1995 production, but it appears to be very low mileage unit. See, it cleaned off extremely well. Very nice. And it's been on the bench test for quite a long time. Here's the underside. Like I said, cleaned off very nicely. Wires were absolutely destroyed, but internals are really good. Very good. I'm really liking this unit. Now I still have to work on the connector, but nonetheless, that is just to seal it all off. Okay, so live readings. Let's take a look at that. So 0.47, 4.25 standard readings, micro switches on off, open throttle, let's say halfway, and micro switches flip over, and we have voltages to follow. So I have no problems with this unit anymore. Wide open throttle. Let's take a look at that. 0.6, 4.37. That's perfectly fine. Temperature looks like around 80 because it's pretty cold in New York today. See, room temperature is in 50s. See, 49. So no wonder it doesn't get to 100, because it is not hot by any means here. We had some cold weather coming in, we had some ice, slush, and all that good stuff. So very good. Fluid motion, beautiful. Alright, so this is it. Quick video. I'm gonna go and finish it off. Alright, Victor here, restoringmercedes.com. Thank you for watching.